गोंयांत शिवसेनेचो संघटनात्मक विस्तार व्हड प्रमाणात जावपाचो आसा। राज्यातल्या 40 मतदारसंघांनी 40 शाखा उगडपाचो शिवसेनेचो हेत आसा आनी 16 ते 19 जून मेरेन पक्षाच्यो बसका जातल्यो असो निर्णय पार्टीन घेतला। मजगती ओल्ड गोवा बंगल्याच्या प्रश्नाचेर उलोवपाक न्हयकार दिवन शनया एनसीन हो प्रश्न आपल्याकडेन संबंधित ना अशें स्पश्ट केला। पळयात
मैडम, ओल्ड गोवा में एक बंगलो है, उसके ऊपर वो आपका बंगलो है।
मैं इसके ऊपर कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करने वाली हूँ, मेरा कोई संबंध नहीं है और प्लीज कृपया पॉलिटिकल क्वेश्चंस
वो बंगलो आपका नहीं है?
नहीं।
You had bought it, no, earlier?
No, I am not involved in this. I don't have anything to do.
Your name triggered most of the time.
It can trigger as per
Triggered is that it is yours.
trigger as per political conspiracy. Then so be it. Anything
So you have no role. So you have.
The torch bearers to make sure that we boost, we address, and we are solutions. We are not part of the problem. We want to be part of the solution. And in each assembly constituency, wherever there are voters who are pro the vision of Adarniya Hindu Hriday Samrat Balasaheb Thackeray and the vision of Eknathji Shinde, as a true leader who is the son of the soil and who comes from the roots and understands the problems, we will continue to spread state after state. This is all I have to say today. This is the beginning and there will be a huge outcome and outflow because we propose 40 shakas in 40 constituencies of Goa which will address the north-south Kushavati and make sure that every Goan who has a problem, who needs a voice, who needs a dedicated to common man leader, that solution is the Shiv Sena, Dhanushyaban and Eknathji Shinde.